So I am going to attempt to fix this damage today. Okay, so the way I intend to fix this, I'm going to take a regular paint stick from Home Depot and I'm going to screw it to the back of this, and I'm going to tear this off, you see. So but what I want to do is I want to put Vaseline on this, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel all this dead wood off, and then I'm going to fill all this with car bondo. So I'm putting Vaseline on the stick because I don't want the bondo to adhere to the stick. So I want to be able to take the stick off after I'm done. So I'm going to screw that on like that and fill all of this with bondo. So I'm going to tear this off. And therefore, you see how that fits perfectly? So if I fill all this in after I get off all the loose wood, it'll work. Okay. And this is what the bondo looks like, you see. This is a car body filler, and you can get it anywhere at Walmart or paint stores or the auto parts store, and that will harden within 5 to 10 minutes, and you can sand it down, and it's kind of like sheetrock mud. It sands down just perfect, and then you can paint the repair. Okay, so I've drilled a little hole here and a little hole here so I can screw this in place to give it security. But this surface right here, I don't want the bondo to stick to that. So therefore, I'm going to put Vaseline and I'm going to rub it along here so the bondo cannot stick to it. I've secured it on there. So now my job is to clean this off a little bit. So and then you take this stuff called hardening cream and you squirt some on. And that can make it harden in 5 minutes so you can sand it. And then you mix it up until it's pink. If it doesn't turn pink, you don't have enough hardener in it. Unpainted, but once I put a coat of paint on that, that's going to be good. Look at the edge and everything. And it's just smooth as glass.